Daewoo Bus Myanmar Company Limited has been established in March 2017, specialized for assembling a wide range of public transportation needs under the Daewoo brand. Daewoo Bus Myanmar Company Limited is a joint venture between Sal Daewoo Commercial Vehicle and Myanmar Trade Center Company Limited and got MIC approval since August 2018. Sal Daewoo Commercial Vehicle Company Limited is one of the organizations that reach an SKD and CKD experience in the global market. It has 63 years of a long history as a bus manufacturing, which is the first bus manufacturer company in Korea. Sal Daewoo has assembly factories in many countries like Korea, China, Costa Rica, Vietnam, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, Taiwan, and Myanmar is the 8th global manufacturing plant. Our factory is located in Taiwan, which is about 40 acres of land wide. Starting from 2018 May, the construction of the factory is started and completed in 2019 with a production capacity of 500 units per year and powered by 200 workers. Daewoo Bus Myanmar Company is import more than 1,000 of parts in complete knockdown positions and assembly with 5 stages such as chassis line, body line, paint line, trimming line, and final insertion line. We have the facilities of the welding process like CO2 welding and spot welding facilities and using the stretching machine to make the body with perfect stretching. Our painting facilities involve spray booth, oven, and anti-coating booth. The final insertion line with wheel alignment, side slip test, brake test, speedometer test, ABS brake test, and headlight testing to make sure further safety and qualification. Finally, we do shower tests and road tests to clarify that the vehicle is 100% perfect for the usage. In September 2019, the production of the first pilot project succeeded with the same level of quality as Korea made by using the international production line layout and with high quality of production equipment by using the Sal Daewoo Corporation skills, know-how, and experience. New BS series provide the greatest comfort and convenience through an outstanding harmony of deluxe feature and a perfect balance. A luxurious and spacious interior provides a pleasant journey, like riding in a high luxury design, a polished style based on European trend. The era of new premium minibus developed by global Daewoo Bus, Lestar, is arriving. Lestar's high technology for driving response differentiates from the others. Lestars will reach your heart with a first-class level of comfort. Daewoo Bus Myanmar granted the certification of Myanmar customer with reasonable price, high-quality product. In addition, we are contributing to the improvement of Myanmar automobile industry through employment and technical department. Welcome Daewoo Bus Myanmar.